Welcome back to Life as Usual. Today we are going to unbox the 4-ton jack stand from Halfords, okay? And we are going to unbox the low-profile trolley jack from Halfords, okay? This is also a 2-ton. Now, if you have not been following our previous videos, perhaps you'll be confused why we're buying these, so I would recommend watching our other videos. However, if you're only interested to know more about these products, then continue watching this video. So let's start by unboxing the 4-ton quick lift jack stand. Okay, so let's talk about a few facts first. Okay, so if you were to come closer here, you can see that this is a 4-ton per pair. So what does that mean? That means that this is a 2-ton and this is a 2-ton alone jack stand. Okay, now the minimum height for these two jack stands are 34 centimeter, and the maximum height is 51 centimeter. This is important for high cars like the Range Rover. However, it's not very important for lower cars. For lower cars, you can get by having something a little bit cheaper and less height. But with a bigger car, 4x4, you do need a bigger jack stand. Okay. However, one feature that this one provides that is different than the previous jack that we previously had is this: you'd have to raise it manually, and if you can see here, they have holes, and these holes are for you to put the pin, and you can hold it. So you can have 3 settings. You can go 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so that's the height, so you can go. However, with this one, this handle will be able to lift itself automatically and provide you the height without using 2 hands. So if you can see, I'm using 2 hands and I'm putting pin here. Ideally, you'd use 1 hand, and it's supposed to be easier. From my point of view, this is not important for me. This is the most important thing for me. That is 51 centimeters since we have a Range Rover. Okay, so this is the box inside, and this is how it's supplied. That's interesting. That looks like a smooth paint. This looks like a rough paint. Provides you with a manual. Let's take a look. And it tells you that you're supposed to lift from the middle rather than the side. So you can't have one high and then low and low. It's supposed to lift up and have them side by side. So this is incorrectly as well. You can't have it 4. If you are interested in the specification of this product, these are the exact measurements. Let's take one out. Now, I have noticed that this comes with 4 feet. Number 1 is much heavier than this one. This is light, and this is much heavier. They come with 4 feet rather than 3 feet. Okay, which obviously indicates that it's more heavy duty and can lift much higher weight than this one. Okay. They also come with a pen, just like this one. Okay. However, I noticed that if we take a closer look at the pen, this pen is very thick. This pen is very thin. And the way the automatic raise mechanism, the way it works is by pressing this one down. Should we try it? Let's give it a try. Or is it up? Oh, it's up. Wow. Oh. Wow. So that's how it goes up. You lift this one up. So that's how it works inside. Now, let me explain to you a little bit different about the safety pin. Now, we discussed that the safety pin here is wider than this one, and it looks much bigger. The reason being is this depends on a safety pin to secure it in the correct position. So the safety pin would go like this. Once it decides to go in, and that is locked in. So you can put the car here, or you can have a different height as such, and that is locked in. However, the safety pin on this device works differently. The safety pin is only when you want to fold it away, not when you want to use the jack. So you lift up, you press down, maximum down, and then we'd put the safety pin here and that will stop the jack from lifting higher, so you can secure it, store it safely. However, when I use it, you remove this one, and then you can start using it. So once you're ready, you'll lock it. It's that easy. It's a one hand. That's it. You're ready. The jack is ready. So you can lift this up, maximum height, and the jack is ready. So just for comparison, this is how high you can get this one. This is how high you can get this one. You see the difference? It's much higher. Okay, now let's take a look at the second one. Okay, and that's full.